Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek. I am Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a simple case and a simple remedy that we use every day in a day-to-day practice. In fact, when you start a practice, this remedy becomes handy because it cures this simple symptom of coryza in most of the cases. Whenever you are practicing and using this remedy, the remedy is Sanguinaria canadensis. A very important remedy for coryza, sardi. When we start our practice, we get many patients of coryza. Now, the most important symptom of sanguinaria is coryza better by cold. A very important indication. Or coryza better by diarrhea. I still remember a case when the patient came and told me, Doctor Sahab, बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है. बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है. There is a lot of coryza, but पतली दस्त हो जाती है तो कोराइजा अपने आप ठीक हो जाता है. एंड द पेशेंट ओनली टोल्ड मी शायद यहाँ का सर्दी वहां से बाहर निकल जाती. दैट इज द कोराइजा फ्रॉम द नोज इज कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द स्टूल्स. दिस इज द वर्डिंग्स ऑफ द पेशेंट दैट विल कम एंड टेल यू कोराइजा बेटर बाय डायरिया. यू मस्ट थिंक अबाउट sanguinaria. एंड sanguinaria is a general remedy for coryza with hay fever which occurs annually in spring. हर साल स्प्रिंग में अगर आपको कोराइजा हो रहा, then the first remedy should be thought of is Sanguinaria canadensis. Sanguinaria is coryza with discharge with fluent cough. सर्दी है, सर्दी बह रही है और थोड़ी बहुत खांसी भी है, then you must think about Sanguinaria canadensis. One more remedy similar to Sanguinaria in this symptom you must remember is Semesifuga. Semesifuga also has the same symptom as Sanguinaria, and that is coryza with fluent cough. One more symptom of sanguinaria, a very important symptom. I had a patient where the patient told कि सवेरे उठता हूँ, it's absolutely healthy, but when I go in my garden, there are a lot of flowers, and from the smell of the flowers, I start getting sneezing and coryza. I don't know why. People tell you to go out in the garden in the morning, but I have a problem coryza, so I cannot go out in the garden. See what the patient is telling you. Don't take the symptom aggression open air, aggression by wind, north wind, south wind. Don't take that. The patient is telling you, I go in the garden, there are a lot of flowers, and by that odor, I get the coryza. So this is a very important indication of sanguinaria, and that is coryza from odor. From flower also, that is Sanguinaria canadensis. I treated that patient with Sanguinaria canadensis and the symptoms were cured. Of course, Sanguinaria can have coryza from any odor, strong odor, from a flower odor or from any strong odor. It can have coryza. The nose is so sensitive in Sanguinaria. Now discharge. इन sanguinaria the discharge is excoriating. मतलब यहाँ पे दिखेगा, मतलब discharge दिखेगा, मतलब लाल हो जाएगा. The discharge is excoriating, especially the right nose. Right side nose, excoriating discharge, sanguinaria, very similar to one more drug. That is Calibicrome. Calibicrome also has excoriating discharge, especially from the right nostril. One more symptom of sanguinaria. Whenever we have coryza, we look at the sun, we get the heat and the coryza is better. But a sanguinaria patient will tell you, whenever I look at the sun, sneezing starts. मैं जब भी सूरज की रोशनी को देखता हूँ, मुझे छींकें शुरू हो जाती है. A very important symptom of Sanguinaria canadensis. But in this symptom, you must remember 2 or 3 drugs which I have used in my practice. Coryza persistent or sneezing persistent in sunshine. Not coryza, sneezing in sunshine, that is aurum metallicum. You must have never thought of aurum metallicum because we have the mental symptoms of aurum metallicum so dominant that we forget it has some symptoms of nose also. So sneezing persistent in sunshine, Sanguinaria canadensis, aurum metallicum. Agaricus muscarius also has the same symptom, sneezing in sunshine. Mercury, Merck's salt also has the same symptom. These 3 remedies are very important in this symptom, that is sneezing persistent in sunshine. So these 3-4 symptoms of sanguinuria are very important in coryza. You must remember one symptom of smell that I have seen in my practice. Sanguinuria patient is sensitive to odor of syrups also. बहुत बार पेशेंट बोलता है, आई हैड केसेस वेयर ही सेज कि डॉक्टर साहब आई कैन नॉट टेक दिस कफ सिरप बिकॉज ये सिरप से मेरे को छींकें आती है बहुत, और ये सिरप से मुझे बास आती है बहुत, अच्छा नहीं लगता सिरप से. सो sanguinuria canadensis has sensitive to odor of syrups. He is very sensitive to odor of syrups. So these 4-5 symptoms, simple symptoms of coryza and sanguinuria canadensis will never let you down. So we'll recap the symptoms, that is hay fever, coryza annually occurring in spring, coryza cold amelioration, coryza diarrhea amelioration, coryza with discharge and fluent cough, coryza from odors, discharge excoriating especially from the right nostrils, sneezing persistent in the sunshine, and sensitive to odor of syrup. These 5 to 6 symptoms are very important symptom in sanguinuria canadensis for hay fever or for coryza. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.